بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Surah Al-Baqarah, Ruku number 14. Mind map. Verse number 130. The Jews say the Christians have nothing true to stand on, and the Christians say the Jews have nothing to stand on, although they both recite the scripture. Thus the polytheists speak the same as their words, but Allah will judge between them on the day of resurrection concerning that over which they used to differ. Verse number 114. And who are more unjust than those who prevent the name of Allah from being mentioned in His mosques and strive toward their destruction. It is not for them to enter them except in fear. For them in this world is disgrace, and they will have in the hereafter a great punishment. Verse number 115. And to Allah belongs the east and the west, so wherever you might turn, there is the face of Allah. Indeed, Allah is all-encompassing and knowing. Verse number 116. They say, Allah has taken a son, exalted is He. Rather to Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth. All are devoutly obedient to Him. Verse number 117. Originator of the heavens and the earth, when He decrees a matter, He only says to it, be, and it is. Verse number 118. Those who do not know say, why does Allah not speak to us, or there come to us a sign? Thus spoke those before them like their words. Their hearts resemble each other. We have shown clearly the signs to a people who are certain in faith. Verse number 119. Indeed, we have sent you with the truth as a bringer of good tidings and a warner, and you will not be asked about the companions of hellfire. Verse number 120. And never will the Jews or the Christians approve of you until you follow their religion. Say indeed, the guidance of Allah is the guidance. If you were to follow their desires after what has come to you of knowledge, you would have against Allah no protector or helper. Verse number 121. Those to whom we have given the book recite it with its true recital. They are the ones who believe in it, and whoever disbelieves in it, it is they who are the losers. Conclusion. 1. Both groups deny each other's path to salvation, though both were given scriptures. 2. Those who prevent people from worshiping in mosques are declared the worst wrongdoers. 3. Wherever you turn, there is the face of Allah. He is present everywhere. 4. Those who knowingly hide divine guidance are condemned. Ibr 5. Only those who truly accept the Quran are rightly guided.